Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use and register ChatGPT. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and of course go to or search on the search bar right here ChatGPT and go to this website that is openai.com that introduces ChatGPT. So first, I'm going to explain what is ChatGPT. So it is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and released in November 2022. So it is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 foundational large language models and has been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So basically, it is like Google, and if you type a question or if you will search on something on Google, and Google will automatically give you results, like for example, who won FIFA World Cup 2022. And as you can see right here, it doesn't answer my question, but it basically is like that. So ChatGPT is like Google. So going back to the topic, just click on this one right here that says introducing ChatGPT, and once you're in the OpenAI website, just click on try ChatGPT right here. So once I've done that, as you can see, I've already logged into my account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by using your Google account or by signing up using your Microsoft account, or you can just put a random email that you want to sign up for ChatGPT. So once you've done that, it will lead you to this page right here. So ChatGPT right here. So this is a free research preview, and let's read on this real quick. So our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. So while we safeguard in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. So it is not intended to give advice. So we're going to click on next right here. So ChatGPT explains how they collect data. So conversions may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. So please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. So this is very important to avoid some scams right here. So please don't share any sensitive information in your conversations. So next, they love a feedback. So the system is optimized for dialogue. So let us know if a particular response was good or unhelpful. So you can also share your feedback in their Discord server. Just click on this if you want to go to their Discord server. So I'm going to click on done right here, and there you have it. We are good to go. So we have a bunch of examples right here on what you can search for ChatGPT. So like explain quantum computing in simple terms. So got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthday? So how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So you have a bunch of examples right here you can try. So we're going to go to that real quick after I run into this capabilities and limitations section. So their capabilities is they remembers what users said earlier in the conversation. So they have the ability to remember the conversation that we had earlier, and they allow users to provide follow-up correction. So that is very good. And they're trained to decline inappropriate requests. And of course, in limitations, so may occasionally generate incorrect information. So they may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and if they do, you can also report them through their support right there. And they are limited knowledge for world and events after 2021. So after 2021, they don't know anything, or they don't have an answer for it. So for example, right here, who won the FIFA 2022 World Cup? So as I search on this real quick, as you can see, they don't have the ability to predict future events or access information beyond my knowledge to cutoff date 2021. So, however, it's worth noting that the FIFA World Cup is scheduled to take place in 2022, and the tournament has not been played yet. So the tournament is scheduled to be held in Qatar from November 21 and December 18, 2022. And we will have to wait for the results to know which team wins the trophy. So as you can see right there, they don't have an answer on who wins, but they actually know when will it happen. So I guess that is worth knowing right there. And I'm sorry, I just closed. And next, we're gonna get an example of what actually ChatGPT can do. So for example, right here, I'm gonna click on this example right here, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. And I'm gonna click on send right here. So basically, there you have it. ChatGPT is now explaining what quantum computing is in simple terms. So this is very good for students or for research, or for anyone who wants to learn something more about any topic. So as you can see right here, he is already done. ChatGPT is already done, and he briefly explained to me what quantum computing is in simple terms. So just read on this real quick. So another one is, if you want to ask another question, just click on new chat right here. Let's try this. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So I'm just gonna click on send right here, and as you can see, ChatGPT is now giving me an example on how to request a HTTP in JavaScript. So as you can see, it is very accurate, or I don't know if it is very accurate, but based on the looks on this, it is very legit. And there you have it. It is still generating, and as you can see, number one is using a XML HTTP request. He also using fetch right here, and just wait for it to generate. Or if you already have your answers, you can also select the stop generating right here. So in my case, it automatically stops for generating. So as you can see, it is I think this is very accurate because it is very legit to look at. ChatGPT gave us an example on what we are trying to ask. So let's go to new chat and let's ask a question or send a message that is very simple. So I'm just gonna say, can you create a poem for children? So I'm just gonna send right here, and there you have it. It says, of course, I'd be happy to create a poem for children. Here it is. So ChatGPT creates a poem for children. So this is basically very good for students who are studying, and they can also use this for their assignments or for their homeworks. So as you can see, ChatGPT also already create my assignment right here. And the best thing about this is free to use, but of course you have the option to upgrade to Plus. So once I click on upgrade to Plus, as you can see right here, I have a free plan. So if you want to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, you have only to pay $20 a month. So it is available even when high demand is high. So faster response speed and priority access to new features. So if you want to do this, just click on upgrade plan right here, and of course it will lead you to the billing section or the checkout section right here. So just input whatever card information you have and the name of your card, your billing address, and of course check on this. So you'll be charged the amount listed above every month until you cancel, and click and hit on subscribe if you want to subscribe. But you can also use ChatGPT for free, and right now currently I am using ChatGPT for free, and it is still very accurate, and it is still very useful for me, even though I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!